Hey, what's up you guys? It's Courtney. Welcome back to Cash Fitness. Thank you for joining us once again. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on our social media for more fitness content. This video is literally not fitness related at all, but I feel like it was kind of relevant because what is in this box is going to help me to keep the content flowing on Cash Fitness. So long story short, last time I did an unboxing, it was months back. It was super random. It was just for like a facial steamer thing. Like I had no real direction with it. I just wanted to do an unboxing because they look like fun. And I had a blast actually recording it. I got this and Jeb was like, you know what? You should do a review on that. And I was like, you know what? Why didn't I think of that? So like, here I am. I finally went ahead and I got myself a camera. Obviously, with everything going on right now, the gyms are shutting down in Minneapolis as of tonight. And I really want now more than ever to get my dance fitness choreo and stuff like that onto this channel so that people who come to my live classes can kind of stay up on it. If there's ever a time I can't do like virtual classes live through Zoom or whatever, they can get my choreo on the channel. But I don't have a camera. Like, I've been using my iPhone to record all of my videos and the quality is decent, you know, for what it is. But anybody who has an iPhone knows, like, I use my phone for the music and you can't record and play music at the same time. So that was like kind of posing an issue. So I finally did some research, watched some reviews, and settled on a cute little camera that I think is gonna be a great little starter. And I thought it would be fun to do a little unboxing, do a little review, and just show everybody what I got, what it comes with, where I got it, what the price is like, show you a little clip of how the camera functions, quality of the picture, the quality of the sound, zoom, all that good stuff. So we'll get into that in this video. Like I said, not super fitness related. I just thought this would be a fun video. So if you are into this kind of thing or it's something you're looking for, stay tuned. 100% honest review because I'm not sponsored, not getting paid for this, anything like that. So yeah, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, so this box looks kind of huge, obviously, because it's like a whole bundle. So I got the camera, I got like a bunch of different like accessories that came with it, which was awesome because actually getting this bundle was cheaper than buying the camera itself from the manufacturer's website, which was nice. So I just like went ahead and took advantage. I actually got it off Walmart.com. I'll post the link in the description below for anybody who might want to get this exact bundle. But yeah, it's really cool. It comes with a lot of stuff. It came with this cute little, it looks like a lunchbox, but it's like a camera bag. It has a whole bunch of, it's full of like accessories. And then there's this little accessory bundle situation and then the actual camera, the camera itself. Okay, so this is the camera that I got. It is the Sony HDR-CX405 Handycam. So it's like actually a little camcorder. It's not like a camera. I just think it's like made me laugh a little bit because I'm like, who uses camcorders anymore? It's so weird. I haven't had a camcorder since, I don't even know. Like, I had planned on getting just like a regular digital camera, but I'm like, listen, it's literally just for filming and most of them are really, really expensive. And honestly, like, I don't have time to be spending $1 million on this. And I wanted to just get something I knew would be good. Sony's a brand that I trust. All of my cameras in the past, digital cameras, whatever, have been Sony. So I know that they're a good brand and it was a really good price for everything. Like, it came with a ton of stuff. So, which I'll get into that in just a second. It's got all this like little stuff. You can like register. It's not just the directions. I'm just gonna throw that in the box. How little it is. It's so cute. It's so cute. So this is it right here. It's a camcorder. Looks like a little camcorder, so it's super tiny and compact. Like, this is gonna be really, really, really like convenient, you know. So that's what's in the main box. You have the camcorder here. You have the charger situation. This baby plugs into the computer or into the wall. And I'll get into how all that works too. And then this, it comes with an HDMI cord for your TV hookup situation, and then a lithium ion battery. So that's awesome. That's what's in the main like box or whatever. This little extra package here, and I have taken this out and used it already so that I could kind of show you guys how everything works, like without being confused all through the videos. So this might not all be packaged exactly how it would be when you get it, but whatever. Everything that came in the box is what I'm showing you right now. So it actually comes with a second rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It comes with a battery charger, like a portable wall battery charger. And then this also comes with a car charger and a UK plug like outlet adapter, which is like pretty cool. And this is the little wall outlet. That's what that looks like. Cute. This is another HDMI micro cable. Like it's yeah. So we have two of those. It's funny because like now that I'm looking at, there's literally basically two of everything in this thing, which is nice because I can keep half of it in the travel bag and keep half of it at home. So if God forbid anything happens, it gets stolen or lost or whatever, I don't have to rebuy everything. Like I would have all of the accessories at home because I literally have two of everything. So that is what's nice about this package. I don't feel like it was a waste or anything. But then there's this Deck Gear Deluxe Starter Kit that it came with. There are two little screen cleaners, a little, I guess this is like a lens protector thing, some screen protectors, and a little squeegee card to like smooth out and get all the bubbles out, I guess. And then there is the cleaning fluid, like for the lens and all that stuff, and the screen. And then there is this baby for the SD card. You put it in here, plug it in the computer. Most people know what this is. I don't need to explain that, but yeah, it comes with one of those. And then it also comes with this cute little SD card like case, and it holds 6 of them, which is pretty cool. Like that's nice if you're like traveling or whatever. So there's that. And then the bag. It looks like a freaking lunchbox. I like it. It's got all these little compartments in it. Super cute. Sorry, I'm like not even in frame. Hold on a second. So inside this cute little bag, we have one of these little spider tripods. I think it's 12 inches, it said. Probably like never gonna use this, but I'm not gonna get through it. I just said that and I'll probably use it. It's cute. It also comes with, this is like a, to like clean the dust out of the lenses or whatever. It also comes with like a little like lens cleaning brush, more cleaner, lens cleaner like swabs or whatever. Another like wipey thingy, another SD card reader, more screen protectors, more lens cap protectors, another one of these SD card holders, and an actual SD card. I think this is actually in the box initially, whatever. But yeah, it came with an SD card and then like the little adapter thing, 32 gigs. So literally, like I said, there's like 2 of everything in this pack, which is kind of nice. And then this is like a little rain protector that covers the bag. It's a little extra waterproof layer, which is nice. So yeah, it came with all of this stuff, which I think is really cool, really nice, convenient. And I do like that there's 2 of everything. It's a pretty good starter. I mean, this is a good amount of stuff to start off with. So I really like that about this package. Now I kind of want to get into just how all this stuff works. I'll kind of show you how the camera works. It's super easy. I kind of figured it out just by, you know, playing around with everything. It took me maybe a half hour to kind of figure out where everything was and how everything works. So I'd say it's extremely user-friendly so far. So. Okay, so here we go. Here's the camera. Right there is where the battery goes. It's already in there. Super easy. You open it. Boom, it's on. Right here is where the memory card goes, and then right there is the HDMI output or whatever. So that's there. This is the zoom. And then this button right here is the photo button, so it does take photos as well. Then here on the side, that is the record button to actually record video. And then right here in the front is the lens cap cover thingy, switch, whatever you want to call it. Then right here is the built-in USB thing. It just like slips right into this thing. It's really cute. But this is actually the piece that goes into here to like actually charge it from the wall or plug it into the computer to access your photos or your videos. So that's what that does. So that's really all there is to this thing. Like it's pretty easy to navigate You open it, it turns on, you close it, it turns off. There is like there's just two little buttons. There's that button for kind of like scrolling, and then that button takes you to like your photos and stuff. So that's pretty much it on the camera itself. That it comes with another lithium ion battery. Looks a little different than the battery that comes in the box because it's not Sony, but it's made for this camera, so it's not gonna like make your device explode or anything crazy. And then this is compatible with this specific battery as well. So you can just kind of like, I think you put it in there backwards. Yeah, flip it over backwards and put it in and plug it into the wall. There's a light right here that's like red, I believe, when it's not charged, and it turns green when it charges. Super simple to figure out. Like I said, it comes with two of these cute little things. So if you are somebody who takes 1 million pictures and needs 1 million SD cards, this right here is going to hold 6 of them, and it came with 2 of these, so you can hold up to 12 memory cards. This only came with 1 memory card, but it's a 32 gig, so it's pretty good memory space in there. And obviously, you know, you can go get these anywhere for like $20-$30, I guess, depending on how much storage it has. But yeah, that's that. And then you have the HDMI, so I do want to turn it on and actually film some shots with this thing, so you can kind of see like the quality of the video and stuff. I heard it has really cool zoom, really good zoom quality, so we'll see. We're gonna check it out. Okay, so I now am filming with the camera, with the little Handycam here. The quality looks really nice, actually. I do have 1 million lights on in my room, but there is no external audio equipment, so what you're hearing is just the sound quality from the built-in camera. And I think I'm gonna step outside so I can get a little zoom. It's pretty dark outside already, but I just want to like show you guys the quality of the zoom on this camera. So I'm gonna step outside. All right, I am outside now. Oh, it's so cold. I spent way too much time outside. All right, so I'm gonna zoom. I just want to like do a zoom. We're gonna zoom all the way across the street. All the way across the street. Looks like someone sold their house, I think, from here, maybe. Yep, someone sold their house. Wow, that's actually, wow. Holy crap. I can like read the sign and everything. It's actually really good quality. That's like all the way across the street, like half a mile away. All right, I am back inside, out of the cold. But wow, the zoom on this thing is actually pretty impressive to me. I've been using my iPhone, like I said, so obviously that was like a huge step up from what I'm used to as far as zoom quality and just overall picture quality. It looks really good so far. I like it. We're going back to iPhone and wrap this baby up. All right, you guys, there you have it. That's my review. That is the Sony HDR-CX405 Handycam. And I gotta say, so far, I mean, I haven't really used it much yet, but so far I am loving it. I am impressed, and I feel like this is money well spent, and I feel like this is gonna be a great and beautiful start to what I have in the works for this channel. So hopefully this little review kind of gave you guys an idea just of how simple and user-friendly this thing is, and the quality is good quality. So that's the best and most important part for me. Good quality for a pretty affordable price. I think I paid like $249 for it. I don't even remember. It comes with so much stuff. I don't exactly remember how much I paid for this thing. It was somewhere in the ballpark of $250, $260. But like I said, it's a pretty loaded bundle that this came with. It came with like 2 of everything. You have 2 rechargeable batteries, 32 gig memory card. You have memory card adapters that can plug directly into your computer. You have memory card storage. You have a whole bunch of different cleaning supplies. You have a really good quality, durable travel bag, cute little tripod. Like, I mean, there's a lot of, this comes with a ton of different accessories that would have costed you a pretty good chunk of change if you tried to buy them all separately. So overall, I feel like it's a good deal. And I think it's a good quality camera. So like I said, I have only used it a couple times. Hopefully I will continue to feel this way. If it turns to crap at some point for some reason, I'll let you know. But so far, I am giving this camera 2 thumbs up. It's super lightweight, super compact, so it's not gonna be a burden to lug around. I did some filming with it earlier, and it actually did a really good job. And I think the quality of the videos came out really, really nicely. So I'm excited to use this for filming, for vlogging, for filming choreo, and just for filming like regular everyday stuff, you know, with my family and stuff like that. That's my review. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun making this video. I don't know why I enjoy like unboxing and reviews and stuff. I just do. I recommend it so far. I have had no issues with it, and I think it's really, really easy to use. I plugged it into my computer, you know, everything uploaded easily, like very, very, very user-friendly. So I would say this is definitely one you should consider if you are looking for a little camcorder or a digital camera that's not gonna drain your bank account, but is gonna be good quality still. I say go for it, give it a try. If you've had yours for a while and you wanna like warn me of anything, or like just like let me know your experience with it, I'm all ears. Comment down below, like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our other social media. We have a whole bunch of other stuff coming in the works. Things are a lot more relevant to fitness are coming. But like I said, I just really wanted to do this because I was really excited that I finally got a camera. I'll finally be able to record and feel like official and legit. So I'm gonna get off of here because it is 5:10 and I was supposed to be at the gym like 5 minutes ago. So I'm on my way out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.